Ang dahilan kung bakit hindi umaasenso ang isang leader ay talagang takot na takot siya na mag-fail. The fear of failure cripples a leader. Why? Kasi ang akala niya, pag siya may mga palpak, it is automatically a direct reflection ng kanyang personality, ng kanyang incompetence. Masyado niyang dinidibdib. When in fact, wala namang immune sa failure. When you are leading people, when you are the head of your organization, it's normal na at some point, may mga palpak ka na mga desisyon. But it does not necessarily palpak ka na tao. It does not necessarily mean na palpak ka na tao. Na wala kang kwenta. It is just telling you that there are things na hindi mo pa alam na dapat mong malaman. So shift your mindset from fearing failure kasi wala kang mapapala. Wala kang ma-accomplish kasi palagi kang tentative na baka pagtawanan ka, baka i-judge ka. And that's dangerous pag ikaw ay isang leader. Lalo na pag ikaw ay na-appoint at ikaw ay may mga obligasyon sa iyong sako. You have to decide whether mag-fail or hindi. Still, you have to decide, you have to move. So from now on, to help you become more effective, banish the idea na ang failure is a direct reflection ng iyong pagkatao. Number 2, use failure as learning opportunities. And you must be aggressive in evaluating your failures so that mas malaman mo, mas ma-dissect mo ano yung mga lessons na pwede mong maitulong sa mga tao mo when they will also face or encounter the same problem or challenge. So that means you are a valuable leader due to your failures because you profit from your experience and in turn, nag-profit din ang iyong organization.